All right, so we got some chicken thighs right here, and they're boneless, and we're going to be making some Cinco de Mayo tacos. And I went ahead and got several seasonings already in here. Look at that. I got some Spanish paprika, garlic powder, cumin, some red pepper flakes. There's some cayenne, or actually some habanero peppers, salt, pepper. I'm going to mix all that up. There's also some cumin, just like that. And we're going to toss all that, oh, it smells great, right in here. We're going to take some limes. I got some limes here. Just squeeze this all up in here. Nice, good flavor. Make it a little marinade. We'll let this sit for a half hour. Look at that. One full lime. I'm going to throw about I don't know, half a teaspoon or maybe a little more of some soy. I'm going to do the same thing with a little bit of avocado oil here. Let me stir that a little bit actually. To get a this is a little over, probably about a couple of pounds of chicken thighs we're cooking up here. Get that seasoning all over it real good. There you go. Just basically got some seasonings I had in the counter, put them in here, and we're just going to put that in the fridge for about 30 minutes. I'm going to get the grill heated. So when I first started this, I wasn't sure. I thought I was going to cook it on the Pit Boss, but decided to go with the Weber Smoky Mountain. And it did. I got these right here. It took a minute to get these marinated up. Well, I marinated them for about an hour. Just take a look at that. So I'm just going to go ahead and place these right on the Weber. I've got hickory chips or hickory wood chips being used as the hickory flavor of smoke here. And now we're just going to let these cook up. The future Cinco de Mayo tacos, it's on the Weber Smoky Mountain. Looks fantastic. All right, we got some cilantro in this bullet, and Dolores is putting an avocado. She's got one full avocado in here. We're going to make some sauce to go with these Cinco de Mayo tacos. There's a half a cup of mayo. And
how much feta?
Just throw in a couple spoonfuls of that. Got some feta cheese in here. Just put a couple handfuls in there. We got a handful of cilantro, a handful of some feta cheese. Perfect. And we need some lime, but we need the limes, which are right here. So let me get one of these. There, look at that nice fresh lime juice. Yes.
Smells good.
We're going to add a little water.
How much water?
Just a couple of tablespoons or less. I'm just going to add a little. That's all we need to blend up. If we need more water in it, we can add more if it's too thick.
Well, it depends on how you guys want it. That looks good.
Yeah, I think that's going to be great. Yeah, I like the consistency. We'll just scoop some of that right on the tacos. Now, you can deep fry these. That's what most people do. I'm just going to throw them on the Weber Smoky Mountain where I got heat right now. Cook them a little bit and flip them. Why not, right? There we go. All right, here we go. Got the chicken thighs all done. Let me go ahead and take one of these. And get some limes here. Let's go ahead and chop up some of this. Oh, wow, looks amazing. Absolutely smells amazing. And we're just going to go ahead and make one of these. So throw some of these tacos, chopped chicken thighs right in there. Then we got some cilantro. Got to have a little bit of cilantro. Sprinkle some of that right on there. And we got a little more, how about a little more feta cheese? And this sauce we made.
You're gonna have to bring that over here.
Which
that is bomb.
Dolores has tried it and said it is absolutely fire. That's the word she said.
It's so good.
Got right there, a little avocado sauce on top. A little bit of a lime. Whoops. A little bit of lime juice right there. There's another sprig of cilantro right there. And there you go. Your Cinco de Mayo taco. Wow.
That sauce not fire.
Definitely fire. Wow.
It's all over your face, babe.
Really, really good. Got a little bit of that heat from the, we added that habanero, added that pepper flakes. Got a nice heat to it. It's outstanding. I'll be having a few of these. Happy Cinco de Mayo, everybody.